In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on AI mode on Google Chrome. We'll walk through the quickest way to reach Google's official AI hub using Chrome so you can explore the latest AI features and find the right entry points for your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to a fresh tab so you're on the Google homepage. Click inside the search box in the middle of the screen. If you're not on the homepage, that's okay. Click the address bar at the top of Chrome instead. Both places work the same way and will send what you type to Google search. Type google.ai and press enter. You don't need to add www or worry about capitalization. Chrome will understand it. If you see an autocomplete suggestion for google.ai, you can select it to save a second. If your network is strict about security, just make sure the page loads with a secure connection and the domain looks correct. On the results page, look for the link titled Google AI, how we're making AI helpful for everyone, and click it. This takes you to Google's official AI site. It's the central hub where Google introduces AI capabilities and links to features that may be available in Chrome, along with announcements, demos, and sign-up paths for experiments. Using the official link ensures you're getting trusted information rather than third-party pages that might be outdated or misleading. If you don't see the correct result immediately, double check the spelling or scroll a little to find the result hosted on the google.ai domain. Be cautious with sponsored results that look similar but point elsewhere. On mobile, the official result is often near the top. Just tap it once and wait for the page to load fully. Once you're on the Google AI page, look for any prompts or sections that mention Chrome features. Depending on your region and your Chrome version, you may see buttons to learn more, try a demo, or join a waitlist. If something isn't available yet, it's often a timing or availability issue rather than a problem with your browser. Keeping Chrome up to date and checking back on this page periodically is a good habit. That's all you need to do for now. Click search in Chrome, type google.ai, and open the official Google AI page. From here, you'll have a reliable starting point to explore and enable AI-related tools as they roll out to Chrome. Thanks for watching and enjoy discovering what's new in AI with Google.